Here we go. And there we go. Shehzad straight into it from the get-go. First ball disappears. Maximum early. We've seen wickets fall off the very first delivery of a match. Here we have the batters dominating. Ooh.
Yes, mojeeb. Go on, right.
Well, he knows what he's like. He's seen him as a kid, hasn't he? He's going to go him again. Now, good luck. Now, this is in the... This has gone miles into the sun. They dropped it. Wow. That was, once it gets over the 70-foot stage, which it did, I'm working out parabolas here and working out theories, pi r squared. They don't catch them. They just don't catch them.
Great song by Big Audio Dynamite, E equals MC squared. And he's certainly not got that squared.
The team is gelling with their spirit.
That's some spirit. And it's gone all the way. It's up on the bank here. Gets out of jail for that one because they were just, well, stuttering along in this over. Here's a big six. Alu Bond A2 shot, in fact.
Sure, it's not an Alu Bond A4 shot or an A6 or an A8, but only A2.
About an A5. Landscape. Some landscape on that one. Oh, heck. Balls will catch it, but it's not. It's just going to fizz away for 4 to end the over. Turns out to be not a bad over at all for the Gladiators. A dozen from it, 21 for none.
23-24, you bowled beautifully. Well, you haven't. You got more than 22. He's gone for 26 off his spell. Good hitting, Shehzad. Into the over, 56 for no loss. Colonies around the world picking them up.
Oh, that's huge. That's as big and as wide as Dean Jones's mouth. What a blow.
I can assure you it's a lot bigger than that. Look, I'll tell you what, he doesn't fit in your cookie mould as a player, Shehzad. Not the shape of him, the way. But I tell you what, he can be destructive. Just look at his numbers. He can whack it to all parts. And I don't reckon he got that either.
Yeah. Oh, crunch. He's got underneath it again. And he will punish that length all day long. Jordan Clark needs a rethink.
Okay, we're going at 280 runs per 100 balls, 278 the strike rate. He's going along nicely. He's one of these guys, you keep playing him, he'll fail a few times, but he will get you, he'll hurt someone, a couple of them. And if he, in a tournament, if you can get 2 wins from him, well, he's sort of had some success over mid-wicket, go wide. Oh, he's got a nice piece of it. Nice piece of it. Don't bowl short to me and get away with it. 6. 83 for 2. Now, they're going to have a little look upstairs. See, this is another no ball.
Oh, what a strike. That is magnificent from Shehzad. That brings up his 50. It equals the speed of Chris Lynn. 18 deliveries for 52. And that's, well, play some eye-catching strokes. None more so than that one.
He's revved it up. That's extraordinary. That's on a forehand smash. Shiz.
Oh, scoop. A little helping hand around the corner from Shehzad. Smiles all round in that Gladiators dugout. Little maestro is putting on a masterclass.
Up to over 14s now. The run rate by the Gladiators. It's that lovely old song by Cilla Black. Step inside love.
Bold change from Garton. But it's an expensive over. 14 from it. With 3 to go. The Gladiators are 97 for 3.